Yes, Gary is driving on the right side of the car, and we are on the left side of the road. Okay, we're not in the Philippines. We're going right here, right? The castle, right? What are you doing?
I'm going to the high street to eat.
Well, Gary and I were going to get a beer or something.
Yeah, we're going beer. There are a few still in use.
Wow.
Maybe because the area doesn't get good cell reception.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, for those that don't have a landline or a mobile phone,
yeah,
it's still there as an emergency system. And it won't necessarily be a red one anymore, because they've modernised them, and then you've got the little half booths. As far as I can still remember, the British Telecom, the telephone company in the UK, Prime One, under their licence have to provide a phone service.
And what is red? Why is it red?
I think the red comes because it's the royal red, I believe.
Okay.
So, and it stands out. You can stand in a town and see against the buildings around where the telephone is.
Yeah.
But don't hold me to that.
It sounds good.
It does. I'll just make things up as I go along. I believe this pinnacle is at this point, as during the Civil War the leaders of the opposition were executed at this spot for their treason, and you can still, or should still, be able to see the musket shot ball impact points on the actual castle itself. A lot of the stonework and that, like the tiled bricks and things, were sort of like reused from the Roman temple and the Roman buildings that were around that they burnt and razed to the ground to build the castle, because the castle's Norman, and obviously where this is sitting is where the Roman temple was.
Penne with mushroom and tomatoes and spinach and pesto.
I have the chicken fusilli carbonara al forno with a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. Just that little bit.
Just want to say thank you guys for the hospitality and taking me in.
Pleasure having you on.
We enjoyed it.
And so anytime you guys in the Philippines, feel free to visit us, okay?
We're going to come and gate crash, don't worry.
Whoa, yay! Good job! Yay! Look at this girl. There you go.
Come here.
Yeah! Yay! That's my girl.
Come here.
Whoa, look at this girl.
Come here.
Yay! Good job, baby.